Bali last week kasi hindi na nag-umopin yung makina.
Ilang taon na po itong 1 year pa lang po yung battery?
Oh, 1 year pa lang.
Red Battery Trading, at your service. How to replace Ford Territory Gen 2 battery. Tool needed. New car battery, match the size, voltage, and terminal placement of the old one. Wrench or socket set 10 millimeters. Remove the battery holder clamp. Some batteries have a bracket securing them in place. Use a wrench to loosen it. Disconnect the negative terminal, black. Use a wrench to loosen the bolt. Carefully remove the cable and move it away from the battery. Disconnect the positive terminal, plus, red. Use flat screwdriver to remove side lock or hook. Remove battery cover or heat insulator. Lift out the old battery. Car batteries are heavy 30 to 50 pounds, so lift carefully. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring the terminals match the correct positions. Secure the holder clamp to keep the battery stable. Reconnect the positive terminal plus, red first, then tighten the bolt. Reconnect the negative terminal, black, then tighten the bolt. Test and clean up. Start the car to ensure the battery is properly connected. Check for warning lights. If any appear, recheck the connections. Dispose of the old battery properly. Most car battery stores will recycle it for you. Tips. If your car has a memory-saving device, use it to prevent losing radio presets and clock settings. Always handle batteries carefully. Leaking acid can be hazardous. If your car struggles to start after replacement, check for loose connections.
Isa pa. Nag-blanco nagdalawang tatlong guhit.
Okay lang, hindi na kukuha yun. Ayun sir. 14.4 po yung karga ng alternator o ng regulator. Okay. Usually ba ilan yung ganyan bago mamatay?
Ito po is pinapakita ko lang po na battery problem lang po siya. Ito po is yung charging system niya. Okay. Okay po siya, walang po problema sa charging system. Ang naging problema lang po talaga ay mahina na yung battery.
Okay. Sa palitin talaga yung battery.
Nakita niyo po yung kanina, ito. Pakita ko lang po yung setting natin kanina. Pag pinatay niyo po yung makina niya, sige sir, pa-press lang po ng isang beses.